Good day, everyone. Welcome to Profit Online Ozus. On this channel, we discuss entrepreneurship, business, sales and marketing, content creation, motivation, and every other thing that you need to make you a success online. Please, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Welcome back again. Please put a thumbs up to this video, like it, share it, make a comment. And if you are our new friend here, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, put up a thumbs up for it, share the video so that YouTube can also notify you immediately we release valuable videos like this one that can be of help to you. Now, in today's video, we are going to be showing you how to remove watermark from any photo online for free. How to remove watermark. This is a question people ask often, that they want to remove watermark, they don't know how to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you in few steps. Now let's go to any browser that you have, but for this sake, let me use Chrome. Now let me get a picture online first that we can use. Let's say watermark photo. Right, let's just use that watermark photo. Okay, we can see some here. Okay, let me pick this one, watermark. Okay, can you see it's laden with watermark? So all I need to do is to download this image. Now it's already downloaded. Now I'll open another browser, to now go to this site. So when you have, just go to watermark remover. Can you see remover.io? Watermark remover.io. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can just come. Now you can see upload. Can you see upload here? Can you see upload here? So just click on that upload and upload the picture you have. So I'm picking it. Let's put it there. All right, it's uploading and processing it. Let's wait. Very fast. Yeah, can you see? This is the original. This is the watermark removed. Now, if you see this one, you will still see that some parts still have watermark. So what you need to do, if it brings it out like this, you can see this remove text. Can you see this remove text? Let me show you. This remove text, you turn it on, or if there is still logo, you can still click on this one. So just turn it on, click on the on. Okay, so they're trying to advertise something else. It's already on. Let me see logo. It's already on. So let's check it's processing it. Can you see? Can you see now? Clean and clear. Every of the watermark has been removed. Now, so the next thing now is to download the image. Just click on this download button, and that's all. Voila, your picture is ready. So let me check it. Let's check it. Can you see? Clean and clear. Clean and clear. No more watermark. So this is how to do this in this. And don't forget, people make money with this. You can, in some freelance websites, you see people removing watermark and they are charging $5, $10 for removing watermark. I just showed you now. All right, so I believe you enjoyed the video. Please, the link to the site will be in the description box, and if you want to connect with me directly, you will see how you can do it in the description box. So if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. I would answer it in due time. Thank you for staying till the end. We'll see you in the next video.